Outback has given their signature Bloomin' onion an out-of-control upgrade. Fully loaded with cheesy bacon fries and served up with spicy ranch dressing, it's like a first-class ticket to Tater Town. First up, we're gonna fry our onion. I just love this. Now obviously you could stop right here and just serve it up with your favorite dipping sauce, but we're gonna load these up with bacon cheese fries. This looks so good. I can't wait to try it. Oh, this is like the mixed basket of onion rings and french fries, except you have the melted cheese and the crunchy, salty bits of bacon. These are my two favorite bar snacks. Do you think you'll try it? Let me know in the comment box below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Pop Sugar Food. And tag a friend who you think would love this loaded Bloomin' onion. I'm Brandy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.